So, we're in lockdown 2.0, and I think I needed to bring these videos to air. I think I had to. Welcome to the Sulk'S Lockdown Survival Guide. This is part 1. So, you know, we can't really go driving that much. We can't really do anything other than maybe fix our already broken cars. What can we do that is still car related, still automotive related, but yet from the comfort of our own bubble? I know, we can rate our neighbours' cars out of 10. And that's what I've done. Have a watch.
6, 3, 0, 5, out of 10, 3, 5, 5, old school Volvo, probably a 4, maybe a 6.
So as you can see, that was quite fun. I think I gave the Renault Megane a higher grade than I really should have, because it's awful and it should have been a 1 like the Peugeot. Go and rate your neighbours' cars. You'd love it. It's actually more fun than you'd think. You know, what one of your neighbours has got the best car? Annoyingly, one of my neighbours has got a Citroën Picasso, which isn't here right now. But if I was to judge that, it would be a 0. Yes, it would. It would be a 0. One of my neighbours has got a really nice Audi Estate. It's definitely an S-Line. I think it's an A4 Avant S-Line, but it's nice. It looks really smart. But that's not here today either. But if I was judging that, I'd probably give it a 7. Maybe a 6. Maybe a 6. Obviously the best rated car is my own, 10 out of 10, even though at this moment in time it's not working correctly. But which one of your neighbours has got the highest out of 10 grade where you live? Comment below. Comment what the car is and what you rated it out of 10. Alternatively, also do the lowest out of 10. Which neighbour's got the lowest out of 10? I'm going to definitely say it's the Citroën Picasso, because it's awful. So I hope you've enjoyed this ridiculously short yet helpful video to survive lockdown. If you have, then subscribe, turn on notifications, and of course, yes, thumbs up please. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that. Oh, and wash your hands. Yeah, remember, wash your hands. Just wash them. Put a mask on, wash your hands. Not at the same time, because that would be a bit messy, but you know, let's try and get through this lockdown as quickly as possible, because nobody wants to be locked down really. I'd like to be at work most of the time.
Oh yes, there we have it. 0. Hard 0. Let's go a bit further. 1, 4, 3, 2. 2. Oh, that's my other car, so that is definitely at least a 6. Oh, we've got some more down here. Oh, big camper, that's a 0. Hate camping. Work van, that's a 0. Hate work vans. Yeah. This is good fun.